day. I hope you're doing great. As you see, it was raining heavily outside, right? So, by the way, do you know how to say it's raining heavily in Vietnamese yet? If not, don't worry, because today I'm gonna share with you how to talk about rain in Vietnamese. So, first of all, we need to learn how to say rain in Vietnamese, right? Okay, with rain we say mưa, mưa, mưa. And if you want to say it spitting, it's just spitting. You can say trời mưa phùn, trời mưa phùn, trời mưa phùn. And if you want to say it's just drizzling, you can say trời mưa lâm râm, trời mưa lâm râm. And if you want to say it's raining heavily, you can say trời mưa lớn lắm, trời mưa lớn lắm. And in English, you have another way to describe it's raining heavily. You can say it's pouring or it's torrential rain, right? And in Vietnamese, we also have a different ways to describe it's raining heavily too. For example, you can say trời mưa xối xả, trời mưa xối xả, trời mưa xối xả. Or you can say trời mưa như trút nước, trời mưa như trút nước, trời mưa như trút nước. Okay, and now that's all for today. I hope my lesson is useful for your Vietnamese learning journey. And thank you for watching and see you next time. Have a great day. See ya. Bye bye. Cảm ơn bạn đã xem video của em Đào nhé.